Hi, Hans here. I hope you are well and that you enjoyed my previous training videos. And of course, most importantly, that it was helpful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my 10-step business turnaround system to design and build your business for maximum growth and profitability. And I want to make you a promise. The next 10 minutes of training, it will be probably the best 10 minutes you've ever invested in your business and your financial future. So let me demonstrate in this video the results that you can accomplish over the next 90 days or less by showing you the most important and most powerful steps that you can take right now. Alright, so let's get started. Below the video, in the description, you will see there is 2 links depending on where you see this video. The one link will take you to articles on our website that will explain more about the 10 different steps. The second link will take you to our 90 Day to Profit program. The program consists of 4 videos that will take you step by step through the process that I'm going to show you right now in this video. It also consists of several tools that you can use to dramatically increase your sales, profit, and turn around your business. Let me take this business case study as an example. The reason I've chosen this business case study is not because of the sales figures, but because of the low profit margins. It represents about 83% of businesses out there. As you can see, the business is doing about 85,000 in revenue every month, with a monthly overhead cost of 14,800, making about 1,100 net profit after salaries. That's about 1.3% net profit per month. You all will probably agree with me that our total variable and fixed cost increases at least with 2% per annum. Now let me show you what happens when your cost increases only 2%. If we look at this specific business, remember they're running at low profitability. On this table you can see at a 2% increase in your cost, you need to increase your sales with 22% just to make the same profit. If your cost increases with 5%, you have to increase your sales with 65% to make the same profit. Now you don't have to believe me. You can work this out on the tool yourself. Take your business cost and increase your cost with 2 to 5% and see with how much you have to increase your sales just to make the same profit. Now imagine if your business is growing slower than the annual increase in cost. That means in 3 to 5 years from now, you will run out of cash and you will fail. Or if you're one of the lucky ones that is growing faster, you're also going to run out of cash. Because of your lower profit margins, you're going to need finance to support the cash flow needed for growth. This will lower your profit margins even more because of the increase in financial cost. The only thing that needs to happen now is a drop in sales or a down economy or 1 or 2 bad deals and you lose everything that you've worked for so many years. Having the right price will directly affect your profitability, and increasing your prices will put more cash in your pocket than anything else you can do, because every cent on a price increase is pure profit. Perhaps it's time for you to review your business current pricing strategies and look at implementing some new tactics. Here is a simple demonstration on how it can improve your business profits. So let's look at the same business case as in video 2. I can't tell you how many times this simple tool has helped me to triple my income and profits. To be able to see how small changes have such a huge impact on my business and profits. Almost every advisor, coach and expert believe the solution is more sales. To focus on selling and not profit. Or to focus on volume and not margins. This doesn't work. I've lost several companies due to this kind of advice. Thanks to this simple tool, I was able to discover the real truth. Looking at this example, a 1% increase in price will result in a 63% increase in net profit. And of course, this price increase will also increase your sales automatically. So let's see what happens when you increase your prices with 2%. Wow, that's a 127% increase in profit. And what's better, at these numbers, you can lose up to 7% of your sales volume before your profitability drops to a level lower than where you were in the first place. It's amazing how these small changes can have such a huge impact on your business if your business is running on small profit margins. This 2% increase in price
equals an increase in sales of 9%. So what do you think is the easiest? To increase your prices or to increase your sales? Just for a test, let's increase the price first with 2% and then increase your sales with 9%. This equals an increase of 268% in profit. That's almost triple your current profit. Can you see now why it is so important to improve your profitability before you increase your sales? You can get twice as much profit for the same effort. The last point that I would like to make is to stop discounting. It really kills your profitability. Rather add more value. Look at the impact it has on this business example. If you discount your prices with 2%, you have to increase your sales with 12% just to make the same profit. If you discount your prices with 5%, you need to increase your sales with 37% just to make the same profit. And if you discount your prices with 10%, you have to increase your sales with 117% to make the same profit. As you can see, it's not worth it to discount your prices. And it is very important to have the right price. So what is your price strategy? Now that we have made sure that the business is profitable, we can move to the second phase of increasing your profits dramatically by increasing your sales. If you're not profitable with your current level of sales, it is unlikely that just increasing sales will solve the profitability problem. The profit issue should be addressed first before increasing your sales. Otherwise, more sales will only compound the problem. So to get started, we have broken down the whole sales process into smaller key success factors. But I want to show you how you can use this to maximize what you already have. You may have seen it before. The concept comes from J. Abrams, a genius when it comes to marketing. So all credit to him. Now this may be a simple process, but it's a very, very powerful process for increasing sales. So let's see how powerful this can be. If we look at the same business case from previous videos, where the sales was 85,600 per month, and we break it down, it would look something like this. We have 95 potential customers coming into the business. 35% of them are converted into real paying customers. They only purchase once a month, and they're spending $2,574 every time that they buy from you. That will give you plus minus revenue of 85,600. If we only make a 1% small change in every one of these 4 steps, that will give us a 4% increase in sales. That's not so impressive, but let's look what happens to your profit. With a 4% increase in sales and a 1% improvement in your profitability from the previous steps, that gives you an increase of 202% in profit. Let's see what happens if we make a 5% increase in all 4 steps. Now that is a 22% increase in sales. So let's see what is the effect on our profitability. Wow, with the 22% increase in sales, we increased our profits with 485%. So here is my conclusion. Every business out there can increase their sales with 22%. By making a 5% change in the 4 different areas. I also know that every business out there can at least reduce their cost with 10% by making small changes. That will give this business an increase of 606% in profit. And you can do the same in your business. Now imagine if you can make a 10% increase or improvement in those 4 different levels in your sales. That's a 46% increase in sales. Just imagine what that can do for your profitability in your business.
And that brings us to the end of our training video for today. Remember, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one.